Good day, everybody. In order to use the accessibility tools on your Chromebook, we want to make them a little bit easier to get to. So we're going to go to the clock area, click in the clock area, and click on your settings gear. Once you open that menu, look down on the left-hand side for the word accessibility next to the picture of the little person. Click on that word. And at the very top of the list here is Show Accessibility Options in Quick Settings. All you need to do is turn that switch on, and now those tools are going to be a lot easier to find for you, and a lot easier to turn on and off too. Back to the clock area, click in the clock area again, and now here's the little accessibility person right there and the drop-down menu that lets you turn tools on and off. I'm going to turn on the Read Aloud tool, which is called Select to Speak, and the dictation tool that lets me type with my voice. To use the Read Aloud tool, click on it to turn it on, and then draw a box around what you would like to listen to.
In the 1980 movie Star Wars, The Empire Strikes Back, Yoda says, "Do or do not, there is no try."
To use the dictation tool and type with your voice, just click on the microphone to turn it on. Did you hear about the restaurant at the end of the universe? ? It had great food, but no atmosphere, period. Have a great day, everybody.